What's up, everybody? Today was a range day where I checked out my 2 new lures for my MP5 clone. But first, I had to stop by my local shop to check out this Hux Flow TI, I think it's 9K. Super dope setup, light, love it. But this is what I've been waiting on, my PTR Vent 2. Still in ATF prison for the past 3 weeks now. Can't wait to get it. Looks super sexy on my MP5. All right, there's some range footage of my Lee Sporting lure with the SDE trigger. This thing is absolutely sick. And this is the SKO Print lure. She goes. Love it as well. I also gave some random folks at the range the opportunity to shoot my Q Boombox 8.6 blackout, and they loved it. So today was a good day. Take care, folks.